So, hello guys, welcome back to my desktop. Now I'm gonna show you how to install the Grate mod menu. So first thing you do is go in your browser, type in Grace mod menu, then it should show this. Go on Monkey Mod Manager, then click on download monkeymodmanager.exe. Click on this file, then click pep-inject, then and utility pep-inject and x. It should automatically pick x-inject. Yeah. Then wait. Do you guys see my monkey? Yeah, see. You see it. So then you click on Grate. Click install/update. Then it should download everything. Yeah. Wait. Then it should say install complete. Then do it. Get your Monkey Mod Manager down here in the corner. Then type in Grate. Grate mod menu. Then it should say give you this. Click on the first link, download grate.dll. Then it should download here. Yeah, then it should say this, but you can click on this and then it installed. So then you get your Monkey Mod Manager back. Click on game folder, pep-inject, plugins, and then it should say this, not the Grate, but everything else without TMP loader maybe. Then you get back on your browser, get your Grate into your plugins. Yep. And then you have Grate here, but I already have it here. So then maybe you should update your utility. Then for that you're gonna delete this utility, go back on your browser, search for GitHub utility, then it should say this, then utility.zip, then it should get here, then click on pep-inject, plugins, utility, and then you have utility DLL. Get it to your plugins, then get it to utility, and then you have up the better version of this utility. Yeah. Then you can start Gorilla Tag. I won't do it because you saw it on the start of the video. And then I hope that the video I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys back when I make my next video. And bye!